In traditional Africa, food security was not luck. It was strategy, culture, and deep environmental wisdom. Communities planted many crops on the same land, creating natural insurance against failure. If drought destroyed millet, sorghum survived. If pests attacked beans, pumpkins, yams, or cassava stood strong. Nothing was ever planted alone because food was a community responsibility. Land belonged to the clan, not the individual, ensuring no one was left landless or hungry. People worked together through communal labor, moving from one homestead to another until every field was planted and every harvest secured. When the rains delayed, elders watched the stars, the winds, birds, and flowering trees, predicting seasons with surprising accuracy long before meteorological stations existed. Food storage was an art mastered through generations. Granaries were raised off the ground to keep pests away. Fish, meat, and grains were smoked, dried, or fermented to last months. Some communities buried yams in underground pits or sealed grains in clay pots to survive long dry seasons. Sacred taboos protected the environment. Cutting down certain trees was forbidden. Hunting during animal breeding seasons was restricted. No one dared kill a pregnant animal. These unwritten laws preserved nature and kept food sources sustainable. Pastoral communities survived droughts by moving with their livestock, living, walking food banks that provided milk and meat even when crops failed. Village grain reserves ensured that if one family suffered, the entire community stepped in. Hunger was never faced alone. Food was shared, redistributed, and protected as life itself. This was how traditional Africa survived famine for centuries, not through technology, but through unity, wisdom, and a powerful respect for nature.